I'm Lisa and you're at home with Imagine If. Today I've got some physics for you. Balloon rockets. Check this out.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Alright, so this is what you're going to need. You're going to need a straw, plastic drinking straw, a balloon, string, I'm going to use embroidery floss, some tape, any kind of tape, and some scissors. Alright, and I'll show you how to set this up. You're going to need to take your string to begin with, and you're going to feed it through your straw. This is too long of a straw, so I'm going to cut my straw. I just need a little piece of it. So, now I've got a piece of straw. I'm going to feed my string through my straw. Oop. There we go. There. And then I'm going to tie this end of my straw, my string, to a fixed object. I have a stool. I wonder if this is in shot. There we go. So I'm going to tie this end. I'm not going to worry about the straw. It's just going to slide down. Tie this end off. In a little knot. Like so. There you go. And then that's going to be my little launching spot. So I'm going to have my straw and then the rest of my string. I need to tie this other end to another fixed object. I'm going to use, as you just saw in the video, I'm going to use my door handle. All right. All right. Now you see my string is tied to my door handle. So I've got one end here. My other end's tied to my stool. I cut a little piece of tape and my little straw that's going to slide along. I'm going to stick the tape right over there. And that is now ready for my balloon. So all I have to do is blow up my balloon, which I already did. You don't need to watch me blow up a balloon. You don't tie it off though, because it's going to be, that's what's going to make the thrust in your rocket. So you leave you pinch it closed, and you're going to point it in the direction, the front end of the balloon is going to go in the direction that you want it to go. So I'm going to have to, I'm going to stick it to here, and it's ready to go. All right, now you can see almost my whole setup. Here's my balloon pointing in this direction and taped to my little straw, and ready, set. Pretty cool. My cats love it. So this physics demo is all about air and thrust. As the air rushes out of your balloon, it creates a forward motion called thrust, and that's a pushing force, and it's created by energy. The energy of the balloon pushing the air out is what creates the thrust. In a real rocket, the energy is produced by burning rocket fuel. As the rocket fuel blasts out of the engine, pushing down, the rocket goes up. And this is just a demonstration, but if you want to turn this into more of a scientific investigation or more of an experiment, you are going to change the variables. So you're going to look at how far your rocket can go and how fast it can go. Those are the things that you're trying to affect. And your variables, science has to have some variables. Here's your variables. These are the things that you can change, and you're only going to change one thing at a time, right? Because if you change them all, you won't know what really affected the distance and speed of your rocket. But if you change your balloon shape, maybe try those long, thin balloons. I didn't have any, but I think they would work really well. You can change your straw. You can change the length of your straw or the diameter of your straw. You could change your string. You could try fishing wire or something that was smoother, created less friction. You can also change the angle of your string. I had it angled slightly down from the door handle to my stool, but you could try it going flat, see what that affects. So remember, these are your variables. You're going to change one at a time, and you're looking at how that affects your speed and your distance for your rocket. All right, so have fun blasting, and check out some of those variables. Bye till next time.